is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For early this morning through tonight. Weather hazards expected. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Monday, limited severe thunderstorm risk. Elevated flooding risk. Tuesday, limited thunderstorm risk. High swim risk northwest Indiana, limited lakeshore flood risk northwest Indiana. Wednesday, high swim risk northwest Indiana. Friday and Saturday, limited thunderstorm risk. Now here is the hazardous weather discussion. A strong low-pressure system will bring showers and thunderstorms Monday into Tuesday. Heavy rain and localized flooding will be possible with any shower or thunderstorm. Some of the storms Monday afternoon and evening may be strong to severe with strong winds. Gusty north to northwest winds Tuesday and Tuesday night should produce sufficiently high waves to result in dangerous swimming conditions at Lake Michigan beaches Tuesday into Wednesday. The high waves could also result in lakeshore flooding in northwest Indiana. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Illinois nearshore waters of Lake Michigan and the Indiana nearshore waters of Lake Michigan. For early this morning through tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Monday, significant thunderstorm risk. Tuesday, hazardous conditions for small craft are likely. Limited thunderstorm risk. Wednesday, hazardous conditions for small craft are likely. Friday, limited thunderstorm risk. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the open waters of Lake Michigan. For early this morning through tonight. Weather hazards expected. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Monday, elevated thunderstorm risk. Tuesday, limited thunderstorm risk. Gale force winds are possible. Friday and Saturday, limited thunderstorm risk. At 7 a.m. at O'Hare Airport it was fair. The temperature was 70 degrees. The dew point was 66. And the relative humidity was 87%. The wind was north at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.99 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the region. At Benton Harbor, fog was reported with a temperature of 62. At Gary, Indiana, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 64. It was fair with a temperature of 66 at Milwaukee Airport, 68 at Waukegan, 66 at DuPage Airport, and 71 at Midway Airport. Once again, at O'Hare Airport it was 70 under fair skies. At Milwaukee's harbor entrance, winds were northwest at 4 knots. At the Kenosha Harbor entrance, winds were northwest at 3 knots. At Chicago's Harrison Beaver Crib, winds were northeast at 7 knots. At the Michigan City entrance, winds were east at 6 knots. At the Muskegon entrance, winds were east at 6 knots. In open waters, at the South Lake Michigan buoy, winds were north at 4 knots. Waves were 1 foot. At the North Lake Michigan buoy, winds were east at 4 knots. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning for Will County, McHenry County, King County, Kendall County, Lake County, Indiana. Today, partly cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning in the suburbs. Highs in the mid-80s inland, but only in the upper 70s near the lake. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Monday, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Highs around 80. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Monday night, showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers likely and a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. Tuesday, cloudy with chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with chance of showers in the afternoon. breezy. Highs in the upper 70s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour in the morning, becoming north and increasing to 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 50%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 50s in the suburbs, but in the lower 60s downtown. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s in the suburbs, but in the lower 60s downtown. Thursday and Thursday night, clear. Highs around 80. Lows in the upper 50s in the suburbs, but in the lower 60s downtown. Friday, partly cloudy with chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Friday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the mid-80s. And now for the marine portion of the forecast. Synopsis. High pressure of 30.1 inches stretching from Quebec to the middle Mississippi Valley will extend from New England to Newfoundland by Monday morning. Meanwhile, low pressure of 29.8 inches will develop over the Central Plains this afternoon and evening. This low will deepen to 29.6 inches by the time it reaches Lake Superior Tuesday afternoon. High pressure of 30.3 inches over the northern and central plains Tuesday will build east into the middle and upper Mississippi Valley region by Wednesday night. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan north. Today, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming variable less than 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, light and variable winds becoming east 5 to 10 knots during the evening, then becoming southeast late. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Monday, southeast winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming east 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Monday night, east winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming northeast 15 to 25 knots. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers overnight. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, north winds to 30 knots, increasing to gales to 35 knots. Showers likely in the morning, then chance of showers in the afternoon. Waves 6 to 9 feet, occasionally to 12 feet. Tuesday night, north gales to 35 knots, diminishing to 30 knots. Waves 6 to 9 feet, occasionally to 12 feet. Wednesday, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet, subsiding to 2 to 4 feet. Thursday, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming southwest 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet, building to 1 to 3 feet. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan south. Today, north winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming variable and mainly onshore in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming southeast 10 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Monday, southeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Monday night, southeast winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming south. Showers with thunderstorms likely in the evening, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms overnight. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, northwest winds to 30 knots, becoming north gales to 35 knots. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Waves 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet, building to 7 to 10 feet, occasionally to 13 feet. Tuesday night, north gales to 35 knots, diminishing to 30 knots in the evening. Waves 7 to 10 feet, occasionally to 13 feet. Wednesday, north winds 15 to 25 knots, diminishing to 10 to 20 knots. Waves 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet, subsiding to 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Thursday, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming southwest. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles ashore on Lake Michigan for the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Today, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east 10 to 15 knots in the late morning and afternoon. Mostly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southeast after midnight. Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet after midnight. Monday, southeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the afternoon. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Monday night, southeast winds 10 to 20 knots becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the evening. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of shore on Lake Michigan for the following: Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Today, northeast winds around 10. Mostly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southeast after midnight. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday, southeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday night, southeast winds 10 to 20 knots becoming south 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Showers in the evening. Thunderstorms likely through the night. Showers likely after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. Lake Michigan water temperatures: Chicago shore, 81. Chicago crib, 66. Wilmette buoy, 77. Waukegan buoy, 77. Winthrop Harbor buoy, 76. Michigan City, 55. Michigan City buoy, 77. South Mid Lake buoy, 77. North Mid Lake buoy, 73. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KWO39, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan, the Illinois and Indiana shores, and the Chicago area. The current time is 7:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time.